First round, knockout. Talk of the town on the block now. Cash in, cash out. Hands up, hand down. Who I move to man? You can't move to man. I hit him with that new Japan. Samurai ting, yep. I'm back with a martial art. Back with a Basel spark. Shout out to my dog. Come link me in the park. And we finna go hard. Come from the left, come from the right, come from the south. You don't see me in a fight. If you wanna see me, then you know it's on sight. If I'm gonna see you, then you know it's on sight. Yeah, I hit him with the. 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 Nah, I hit him with the. I hit him with the what? I hit him with the. I hit him with the. I hit him with the what? I hit him with the. So keep your hands up. When I hit the bell, I go crazy. Give me that belt and pay me. I keep the right hand on safety. I keep putting these gloves on lately. I'm back in the ring, back in the ring. It's the champion ting, what? And I do that all night. If I see you and you see me, then it's on sight. I hit him with the. 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 Nah, I hit him with the. I hit him with the what? I hit him with the. I hit him with the. I hit him with the what? I hit him with the. So keep your hands up.
I'm done with Wiz it. I'm done with Wiz it. I'm done with Wiz it. I'm done with. I'm done with Wiz it. I'm done with Wiz it. I'm done with Wiz. Then I hit him with the thing on sight. Yeah, I hit him with the bang.
I hit him with the. I hit him with the. I hit him with the. Nah, I hit him with the. I hit him with the what? I hit him with the. I hit him with the. I hit him with the what? I hit him with the. So keep your hands up. Yeah, I hit him with the. 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 Nah, I hit him with the. I hit him with the what? I hit him with the. I hit him with the. I hit him with the what? I hit him with the. So keep your hands up. When I hit the bell, I go crazy. Give me that belt and pay me. I keep the right hand on safety. I keep putting these gloves on lately. I'm back in the ring, back in the ring. It's the champion ting, what? And I do that all night. If I see you and you see me, then it's on sight. I hit him with the. 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 Nah, I hit him with the. I hit him with the what? I hit him with the. I hit him with the. I hit him with the what? I hit him with the. So keep your hands up.
I'm done with Wiz it. I'm done with Wiz it. I'm done with Wiz it. I'm done with. I'm done with Wiz it. I'm done with Wiz it. I'm done with Wiz. Then I hit him with the thing on sight. Yeah, I hit him with the bang.
Hey guys, I'm Stephen London, and I'm gonna show you how to take your curly hair to a straight, sleek finish. First up, you wanna get your hair real wet, ready to blow dry. Don't forget your hair protecting cream to protect those curls. Next up, grab your rolling brush and a blow dryer and blow dry your hair in the right direction. Get your flat iron ready and straighten your hair in small sections. Do not put your flat iron too hot. Then use a medium hold hairspray for flexibility and styling. I love to use the grooming cream to have a nice sleek and polished look on the sides and the back of my hair. I love wearing my hair curly, but I also like to switch it up and do a straight look. Don't forget that heat protecting cream because it's the most important part. Love your curls, but also switch it up. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to follow and share.